jingle bell rock, jingle bells ring and jingle bell ring, rolling and going and
That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Now guys, today I wanted to just show you all the unboxing of our Christmas tree.
Big one too.
Yes. I was scrolling through Amazon. I was on sick leave, so I got a little Amazon happy while I was on sick leave. But anywho, I came across this 8-foot tree that costed like 47 US. And I figured, you know what, since I want to have a bigger tree this year for Christmas, I was going to order it and bring it in. Because purchasing one in town is much more costly than actually getting one online. So I have had this tree for about 2 weeks now. I have been wanting to do the unboxing, but I got a little caught up and I live in a strange country. So doing videos while I was on sick leave kind of wasn't really something that I wanted to do. Anywho, we'll get into that in a different video. But for now, we're gonna unbox this Christmas tree so that we can see what it looks like. So we can get to see how big it is so that I can go ahead and buy a few of the decorations and the ornaments so that I can place on it in order to do the decorating sometime later in the week.
And guys, as you realize, we have these little deer headbands.
They're looking so cute!
I have brown ones. It looks black on camera, but I have brown ones.
They are so cute. So guys, let's get into this unboxing.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
So the packaging came just a little bit opened when I got it, but it seems to be okay, so I did not really make a fuss. Here we have the legs. Oh. This is the box, guys. Let me see if I can show you how big it is. It's about here, just around my waist, so it's a tall enough box. Okay, so let's do this.
And guys, it's almost the size of me.
This seems to be the top parts. Oh, this is one of the other pieces. It's pretty heavy, guys. It's pretty heavy.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he
Alright,
Big tree.
that's it.
Very big tree.
So there are 4 parts to it, apparently.
And there's the leg, which is open.
Where's the legs? Okay, let's see. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open it out. I guess you do like any other tree and open it out like an umbrella so that we can see how big it is, how wide it is, how tall it is, so that we can determine what we're doing next. So, yeah. Okay, so we're going to open up the legs.
in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
Ah, okay. And it came with the little things right here that we can, that we use. There are 3 of them.
Dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
It looks like it's too huge for the whole. Oh, okay, it's not too huge. It works. But I think we're going to have to put in the stuff from the tree first and then screw it on so that it tightens the branch on the legs. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is. There's no instructions included, so I am going to have to just wing it. Okay, I'm seeing that's right. Okay, so all holes are lined up. Nice. So the rest is here still. Okay, I think this looks like it might be the very first one. Why it has this? I'm not sure. Ah, this might be for the bottom. This might be.
Always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter.
Right. And now we tighten them up.
Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss.
That's that. Okay, so now we have to determine which one is the second part. Very good, Renata. You're opening it out already. That's great. Which one would you think is the second part?
That one. Is that one bigger than that one?
Which one?
That one bigger
one.
than
You only have your hand.
that one bigger than that one.
This one will
That
be the second piece.
Yes, but that one bigger than that one.
Okay, let's see. Let's open this a bit.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Oh gosh. And this is what I'm finding now, guys. See? There's some broken pieces right here.
So
Okay.
guys, I'm finished with the top one. This is how it looks.
Dance all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring.
So we're going to have to fix this, guys. See this little area here? We're going to have to fix it so we can put it through on the second part of the tree. Okay, so that's it. We had to take off this little piece here, but hubby straightened it out, so hopefully it goes in right now.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's.
Great. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness, guys, this is going to be a lot
So you can
to separate.
have the different stuff together. This kind of new one.
Okay, seeing that you already did the last one, Renata, let me put it up top. Ooh. Oh,
Why so cool?
and I wanted it all. Okay, guys, so let me show you right here.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa the visit. No, he wouldn't miss.
So now we're gonna open it up and see how wide it is.
Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna stop here for this particular video. This is what we have done so far. it's taking much longer to open it out than I thought. So we're gonna go ahead and finish opening it, and when we are ready to do the decorating, we will be sure to share that with you, so you all will get to see how wide it is whenever we are doing decorating. But this was it for another day of Vlogmas. Until tomorrow, bye!
Sing this song.
To see more of our Vlogmas videos,
Click this link up here.
or this link down here. See you all tomorrow. Bye!